Yes, today we are talking about boy smells again. Now, if you can't tell by the box, this is a perfume. We have tried their body mist, we've tried their candles. Yes, if you guys didn't know, they do sell candles as well. But we've tried their body mists. They're not that bad. The cherry one was a little questionable. I'm not too much a fan of cherry. But for the most part, what we've tried of their body mist, they're not bad. And for them to be body mists, they're pretty decent, for projection and how they smell. So I'm wondering how good their fragrances are. Well, I mean, their perfumes. Obviously, we've tried their fragrances. Now, this one is called Cocoa Cream. Ooh, but it's not cocoa like chocolate, it's cocoa nut. Ah, love it. So we've been on like the search for good spring, summer fragrances. Spring is right around the corner. She's coming close, okay? I think that groundhog was lying because in the next few days it's supposed to be 70 degrees. What? But the day after that, it's like back to 40. So I don't know what's gonna happen there. Either way, we're looking for great spring summer fragrances. And y'all know coconut is the vibe for me. So this is supposed to have coconut milk and vanilla for the top notes. Middle notes, white flowers, and tear. It's some kind of flower. I think when I looked it up, it said gardenia. I don't know. Correct me if I'm wrong. Dry down is tonka bean and musk. All right, not too much to it. I'm hoping we mainly just get good coconut. Now, here she is in all her glory. This bottle is so much cuter in person. I don't think in the pictures you can't tell that the top is like, like this portion of it is like very pearlescent. It's sparkly, it's pearly, it's really pretty. I don't know. I think the bottle is super cute and they have their little signature half and half, which reminds me of a pill. I like a capsule pill. I don't know. I think it's really cute. Now, this does say that it's in the gourmand fruity family. Little bit questionable because, well, I guess coconut is, it would be a fruit. Okay, I guess it makes sense. I don't know why I was thinking of vegetable. No, whatever. Okay, I guess it kind of makes sense. Never mind. Let me just stop talking there. But this is gonna retail $78 for 50 milliliters. So I'm telling you, it better be good. And when I did look at the reviews, listen to this. Somebody said, this is the creamy coconut I've been searching for. Not overly sweet and not tropical. Just wonderful. I hope it's tropical, okay? I don't know what. And what coconut is not tropical? Anything that's coconut to me is just amazing. It's beachy. Okay, just had to make sure we have no perfume on. Sometimes I spray it and forget. Oh, look at that. Ooh, look at that spray. Okay, okay. Hold on, I haven't breathed in yet. I'm scared. Oh, 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 oh. It's strong. It is strong. They were right. It's strong. Okay, let this dry down for a second. I don't know. I have like a bunch of mixed emotions already, but let's give it a second. Okay, let's see. Let's see if I can get these words out correctly. So, definitely not a tropical coconut. That is for sure. I don't. It's like very warm. It's almost like I don't like it says coconut milk, so I'm guessing that's like a warmer version of just like a regular what would be beachy tropical coconuts. I'm guessing, I don't know. But it's on the warmer side. It to me it almost smells like a warmer version of Crybaby. I don't know. It's definitely not a Crybaby dupe by any means. Don't get me mistaken. No. But it almost smells like a warmer version of Crybaby. It's like I don't know, it's like wintry. It's almost thick and dense. You do get a coconut, you maybe get a light floralness from it, but it's almost like I'd say a bit powdery more than anything. Powdery, warm, and thick and dense, light coconut. It's not like, again, tropical coconuts. I guess they were right. What gets me about it all is that it says that it's supposed to feel like, make you feel like, umbrella drinks by the pool. No, this is not something that I would personally wear during the summer or during spring. It's just too thick and dense in that I'm guessing coconut milk note makes it like warm. It's almost like a creamy winter fragrance, like a thick, creamy winter fragrance for those of you who like gourmands and something that's not like a spicier fragrance. In my opinion, for wintertime, I think those thick, spicy, warmer fragrances are amazing. They just warm me up when it's cold outside. This, on the other hand, is kind of that. And it's being, I guess, catered towards like summer and spring. In my opinion, not at all. Final thoughts, I'd have to say this one gets a good 7 out of 10. It's not horrible. It's not a horrible fragrance. I feel like it's just a little deceptive, a little deceiving. Umbrellas by the pool, umbrella drinks by the pool, not at all. This, it's not, it's not giving coconut to me. It's not, it's too thick, it's too dense, it's too warm. I feel like it's making you feel like spring, summer, sunniness, and that's just not what it is. So 7 out of 10, not a horrible fragrance. I like the way it smells. It's losing a couple points for it being deceptive, and I think it's more of a winter fragrance in my opinion. Let me know though, have you guys tried this? I do think that for projection and, you know, the scent bubble that it has, it's good. I would like to try some more perfumes from them. Hopefully, hopefully, you know, they smell like what they claim that they smell like, but we'll find out. Other than that, I love you guys so much, and I hope you all have an amazing rest of your day. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.